Let's take a look at how to change the number of positions at a table. Firstly, let's go ahead and start a table. We're going to do table 30. All right, we're going to say there's 2 people sitting at the table, and update. Now, if I ring in an item, say these jalapeno poppers, it's going to prompt for position 1 and position 2. Now, let's say those 2 people that are sitting at a table, 2 of their friends walk in and they decide, you know what, why don't we all dine together? But now I need to change that table from 2 people to 4 people. How do I do that? You can see there on the top left where it says guest 2. If I instead tap on that, you can now see the option to change the number of guests. So to do that, I tap 4 and then I tap update. All right, now you can see it says 4 instead of 2. Now if I go to ring in those jalapeno poppers, now it's asking what position, and the position options are 1 through 4. And that's how to change your positions at a table in Payflex POS.